Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we started using variables in Power Automate. In this video, we will see a use case scenario of using variables in Power Automate. Let's get started. We are creating an instant cloud flow use case variables in which we are taking three input parameters. These are first name, middle name, and last name. We are using a step here that is post a message in a chat or channel, post in as flowbot, and post as chat with flowbot. Initially, we are concatenating the first name and last name using expressions. We are using another action here that is send an email v2. Just like in the previous action, we will use expression to combine the first name and last name. Now we will continue for saving and testing. If this message on Teams, it means this flow ran successfully. We also received this email. It means both the steps are executed successfully. If you want to add the middle name in the name, then you can add it by changing the expression. But in this way, you need to change the expression everywhere it is used. So the best practice is to use variables. So we will create a variable named full name as a string type. In this variable, we will use expression to concatenate first name, middle name, and last name. Now we will use this full name variable in both these steps. And imagine if you have hundreds of steps, you can use it everywhere and it will reduce your work a lot. Now let's test this again. Received this message, it means our flow ran successfully. Also got this email, it means the second step is also executed successfully. That's it. In the next video, we will learn about cascading variables in Power Automate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.